Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to a new phone. First, grab your new phone and make sure it is powered on and has sufficient battery. Then, open your phone settings menu. Look for the Bluetooth option, which is usually found under Connected Devices or a similar category. Tap on it and switch the Bluetooth toggle to the on position. This makes your phone discoverable to other devices. Next, let's get your Sony headphones ready for connection. Make sure your headphones are completely powered off. Now, press and hold the power button on your headphones for about 5 to 7 seconds. You should see an indicator light begin to flash, often alternating between blue and red. You will also hear a voice guidance confirming Bluetooth pairing, indicating they are ready to connect. With your headphones in pairing mode, return to your phone's Bluetooth settings. Your phone should now scan for and display available devices. Look for your Sony headphones model name in the list. It might appear as WH1000XM5 or similar. Tap on your headphone's name to initiate the connection. Once connected, you will hear a confirmation voice prompt, and the indicator light on your headphones will typically turn a steady blue. If you encounter any issues, try these troubleshooting tips. First, toggle your phone's Bluetooth off and then back on. Also, ensure your headphones are not automatically connecting to a different, previously paired device. Disconnect them if necessary. If problems persist, a factory reset of your headphones can often resolve stubborn connection issues, but remember this will erase all previous pairing information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.